I'm Lindsay Del Carlo, the trial garden manager for Renee's Garden Seeds, and we are entering into fall, and our celeriac or celery root is sizing up nicely. We had grown these in the spring from seed, and they take a long season to mature, but they are very well worth the wait. This is kind of a little known root vegetable that's gaining in popularity, so I really wanted to show it off because they're delicious. And the celery root, this is different than the stalk celery that you'll find in the store. You can see the tops don't form the thick celery stalks like common celery. This is mainly for the root. This is one I have pulled out of the ground and I've cleaned it up with the hose. They're pretty dirty when they come out of the ground, and I cut the tops back. So you just want to use the root, and I will pull another one up and show you. You can see when they're ripe and ready to eat, the root will be mounding above the ground and you'll feel it's nice and firm, and just pull it up and you'll see it comes up with a lot of these little fibrous roots, and I just go through and shake off all the soil, and then they crack right off. So I go through and clean them up. And then a quick blast with the hose, you can get the majority of the soil off the root, and then the leaves crack off really easy. And then I take my knife here and just cut the tops off. And then when you want to prepare them to eat, you'll peel all the skin off down to the white root. And these are really excellent, just chopped up, coat them with olive oil and salt and roast them, and eat them like that, or you can add them to soup. It adds a really rich flavor to soups. And another of my very favorite way to make it is to make a root vegetable gratin with it. Very delicious. And celery root is extremely easy to grow. It's one of those very well-behaved vegetables. It doesn't get any pests or diseases, and I fertilize about once a month with the liquid vegetable fertilizer and keep it watered, and that's about it. They're a very rewarding crop to grow. So you can find celeriac seed available on reneesgarden.com. Thank you for watching.